everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Wrinkles and fine lines. I'm at the stage of my life where I'm starting to see the sign of aging on my skin. I'm starting to see fine lines and wrinkles. However, for me, I like to use natural remedies on my skin. I found that they work wonders on my skin. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you one of my skin tightening, skin firming, natural homemade remedy that I use on my skin to have my skin looking years younger. So if you're looking for something natural, something that you can use without spending the extra bucks, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you exactly how I made this remedy and I'll show you how to use it on your skin for best result. Now our first ingredient is aloe vera gel, and this aloe vera leaf that I have here is fresh aloe vera leaf, and this is loaded with vitamins and minerals that is great for the skin. It contains vitamin C, it contains vitamin E, it contains antioxidant that will boost up collagen production in the skin, clear the skin of hyperpigmentation such as dark spot and acne scars. Aloe vera gel also will help to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines. It's great to use if you have sunburn. It's great to use if you have acne prone skin. It's just an overall ingredient that you can use not only on your face, your neck and your décolleté, but over your entire body, including your hair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this aloe vera to the side and I'm going to introduce my next ingredient. Our next ingredient is watermelon, and watermelons are amazing for your skin. It reduces redness, calm inflammation, and even speed up cell turnover process. My grandmother used to rub watermelon on her sunburn, rash, or irritated skin to smooth it, and it helped it recover fast. Now I am using watermelon on my face also, and I've seen amazing results. When it comes on to the rind, which is this part of the watermelon, that is known to help to boost complexion, and it is also known to help to clear skin of hyperpigmentation. Not only that, watermelon help to smooth and firm the skin. When you use watermelon on your skin, it will refresh your skin, rejuvenate the skin, and leave your skin just looking younger, fresher, with a natural glow. So definitely use up your watermelon in your everyday skincare routine, especially when they are in abundance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the watermelon, just remove the outer portion. Now when you peel your watermelon, you can put away the peel for your facial scrub. You can also use the watermelon seed to make a facial serum. Now after peeling my watermelon, I'm going to chop it in small pieces for easier blending. Now if you do not have a blender, you can choose to grate your watermelon and then just extract the watermelon juice. So now let's put this aside and move on to preparing our aloe vera gel. Now here I have my aloe vera gel, and I'm going to use about 2 ounces of the fresh aloe vera gel. Now the first thing I need to do is to extract the gel from the leaf itself, and this is pretty easy to do. Cut it in small pieces for easier handling, and just slide your knife right under the upper peel like I'm showing here. And then you're going to repeat on the other side. And take a look at this. Here we have our fresh aloe vera gel. Now you can store fresh aloe vera gel in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. However, I like to use it fresh, so I like to cut it at the time I'm going to be using it. So now I'm going to put my aloe vera gel in the blender. And I'm also going to load up the blender with my watermelon. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend both together. So just let's blend. Now this is 2 amazing ingredients that I'm blending right here. These 2 ingredients combined will help your skin on a whole. You can just use it like this on the skin. However, there are many other things that you can add to this to boost collagen, clear skin of hyperpigmentation, tighten and firm the skin, have your skin looking radiant, natural glow. Anyway, now that we have blended our aloe vera and watermelon, take a look at this. Let's pour this out. And this is just amazing, guys, amazing. So next I'm gonna add some rose water to this. Oh my goodness, guys, this combination is really amazing. So I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of rose water, which is also hydrating to the skin. I'm gonna pour this in and then I'm gonna mix. Now what I'm doing right here is creating a base, guys. This is an amazing base that you can use on the skin, especially throughout the summer. Refreshing, guys. You can choose to add so many other things to this ingredient to create several different kinds of facial mask and facial scrub. So the first one I'm going to make for you is a brown sugar facial scrub. Basically a watermelon brown sugar facial scrub. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a tablespoon of brown sugar. And then I'm going to take a tablespoon of our aloe vera watermelon mixture. Pour this in. Give it a stir. And here you have your brown sugar watermelon facial scrub. Now guys, you can choose to make a facial mask with this. You can use it with a mask sheet. You can also choose to make this with some yogurt. 1 tablespoon of yogurt plus 1 tablespoon of your watermelon base. Mix that together, apply it on your face, your neck, your décolleté. You can also choose to make some of this with some rice cream. Blend your rice, add hot water to the rice, pour some of the mixture in, blend it up, and there you have your rice watermelon facial mask. Amazing to use. So now guys, I'm just going to pour this in a Ziploc bag. And then I'm going to add some mask sheet to it. After that, I'm going to place this in the refrigerator. And whenever I feel like I want a refreshing vitamin C rich facial mask, I just take a mask sheet out and use it on my face. So there you have it, guys, an amazing mask to use on your skin. Whether you're looking to exfoliate your skin, or you're looking to tighten and firm your skin, or you're looking to just hydrate the skin, you're looking for a natural glow, or you're looking to smooth wrinkles and fine lines, this one is for you. So make it, give it a try, and try those other amazing combinations that I just shared with you. There you have your watermelon, versatile as it can be, watermelon aloe vera facial mask. Now guys, before you use your mask sheet, I suggest that you wash your face since you want to apply this to clean skin. You can even choose to use a facial scrub to exfoliate your skin before, especially if you haven't been exfoliating for a while. Then once this is done, you're going to grab your mask sheet, you're going to place it over your face like I'm showing in this clipping, and you're going to press it on the skin. Once you do that, you are going to leave the mask sheet on your skin for at least 30 minutes. You can also choose to take the mask sheet off, soak it up after about 15 minutes, and put it back on your skin. After about 30 minutes, you're going to take it off and you're going to rinse your face, preferably with some cold water. Pat dry the skin and apply your favorite beauty products. Now you can store the leftover in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. This mask is a very light, refreshing mask. Therefore, you can choose to use it every day. However, at least 2 to 3 times per week is good. Okay, so there you have your aloe vera watermelon facial mask.